Here we have a bank of executive offices, 9 offices, that have a unique problem of being cantilevered outside, in which creates a problem with the floor being exposed to the elements. And to solve this problem, we're going to install warmly yours temp zone radiant heat flooring. These offices have a high quality carpet tile on the floor, and we are going to remove the carpet tile, install cork flooring over the concrete floor, and then install the radiant matting in certain sections, specifically under the desk area and chair area and the conference table area, to supplement the existing heating system that they have. When we get finished, you're going to see an office exactly the way it is right now, except for a programmable thermostat, which allows you to program different zones and raises the temperature according to the evening and daytime, and just a simple vinyl transition between the 2 existing floors because of the different height. So when we get done, that's all that's going to be accomplished, and the offices are going to look exactly the way they are right now. And here we are removing the carpet tile off the concrete floor. Again, that's going to be completely reinstalled when the radiant floor is completed. Here we are installing the cork flooring directly over the concrete floor, and we will cement that to the concrete floor, completely covering 100% of the office area. That will give it an insulation base and help it with the colder temperatures on the concrete floors. It's a 1/4 inch cork, which is used under other types of flooring, laminate and wood flooring. But in this installation, creates an insulating factor, which is important for the performance of the radiant flooring. Here we are actually cementing the cork floor down. And this room is getting a little extra assist from a blower, drying it out and getting ready to install the cork sheets. And here we are installing the radiant heat flooring over the cork, and the mats give us the ability, as you can see it, to turn it and work any kind of configuration on the floor depending what type of layout the floor has. The mats, the netting of the mats can be cut and turned 180 degrees, 90 degrees, 45 degrees, and come in various different lengths according to how much square footage you want to cover. Here we're installing the mat in approximately about a 10 by 11 area, which will eventually be underneath the desk and the chair areas. So again, we're installing these here. So we will situate them together, and we can either hot glue the mats down, or in some cases through the cork, or if you had a wood floor, you could use a staple through the netting and fasten it. And then the wires coming out of the corners of the matting will move along the perimeter of the room and eventually be pulled up through the bottom of the baseboard. And this is the thermostat area where the electrician has run a lead wire so we could pull the wires up through, and the programmable thermostat will be installed in this area. So again, we were just repositioning the mats and then getting them installed with a hot glue, or again with a staple through the cork flooring. The leads come out of each corner on the temp zone over there, and then coming out of this corner. And we will run the lead wires across the cork and around the perimeter and up to the thermostat. The lead wires come in different lengths, and if need be, they can be lengthened with a splice kit, so you have enough lead wire to reach anywhere around the perimeter room to your thermostat. And here we are installing the electric matting, stapling it down to the cork flooring, situating it with nice tension and enough staples so then when we come over with our underlayment and start completely coating the radiant flooring and bedding it in the subfloor. And the mats come with a nice security check. It comes with a little alarm, the circuit check alarm, in case any wires are inadvertently cut or damaged. A little siren will go off, alerting the installers to stop what you're doing and check the mat for any breaks in wires. Here we are installing the sensor probe underneath the radiant mat flooring. The sensor probe senses the surface temperature of the mat, and it's a separate lead that is run along the floor and over to the thermostat. The sensor will drive all the readings from the thermostat and will make separate indications according to the temperatures that are set on the thermostat. And here we are now embedding the matting in a Portland-based underlayment, completely coating the radiant mat and sealing it down over on top of the cork flooring. This will take 2 coats to completely cover and feather the edges out, so when the carpet tile is installed, you won't even know that the matting is underneath it. Now we have completed skimming over the mat flooring with our second coat, and are reinstalling the carpet tile in its original form. And we are finishing up 2 rooms right now. And when the installation is completed, it'll be just back in its original state. And again, we have a room that is completed with the thermostat and a vinyl transition, all reinstalled carpet tile. In the conference room, we installed a new broadloom carpet glued down. This room is completed and operational, as we could see by the thermostat, which is all set and operating. And the Warmly Yours radiant system is an excellent system, used in different situations, residential and here in a commercial situation where we have the cold floors from underneath. The temp zone system which we used here needs to be embedded in a thin set or underlayment, which we showed you, which is needed to go on top of a cork flooring like being installed here, or it can go directly on a wood or concrete floor. The Enviro system is a system also used with Warmly Yours, which is a little different matting set on a aluminum backing, which is installed underneath broadloom carpeting or laminate or wood flooring, where they have floating floors of the laminate and wood floors. The temp zone system here is installed, and the new carpeting is glued directly over it, or ceramic tile can be installed right over it. A great system solving many different types of solutions, and something that you should consider either in your home or in a commercial situation, as we have finished here. It's a total of 9 offices, as you can see over here, and going all the way down this bank of offices. And it's a project that we're very proud of, and we'll like to continue installing other commercial situations as they see fit. So check it out either at Warmly Yours or at our website, fashion-carpets.com.